Hello dear student, how are you? Dear student, today I am present in front of you with a new topic, female athlete triad. So female athlete triad, by the name you are watching that, here there are the three problems for a female athlete. It is the syndrome of female in which eating disorder, amenorrhea, and osteoporosis are present and also known as triad. So, in triad, basically eating disorder, amenorrhea, and osteoporosis. 3.3 points are present here and also known as triad. This condition is seen in females participating in sports that emphasize leanness or low body weight. The triad is a serious illness which lifelong health consequence and can potentially be fatal. So these all things that this triad can be serious illness and potential and fatal can be it. So sports and exercises are part of balanced healthy lifestyle. People who play sports are healthier, get better grades, are less likely to experience depression, etc. But some girls not balancing the needs of their bodies and their sports can have major consequences. Some girls have play sports or exercises intensely are at risk for problem called female athlete. So triad is it is a combination of three conditions. So basically three conditions you already did. First, eating disorder, amenorrhea, and osteoporosis. So a female athlete can have one, two, or all three parts of the triad. The female athlete triad is a syndrome of three interrelated conditions. Thus, if an athlete is suffering from one element of triad, it is likely that she is suffering from other two components of triad as well. So, a female athlete can have one or two or three all of triads. So, it is a likely that she is suffering from the other two components of triad as well. This condition is most common in cross country runners, gymnastic, gymnast, etc. The competitive sports that promote this physical leanness may result in disorder eating and responsible for the origin of female athlete triad. So now we will read about first of all the first triad factor or eating disorder. So eating disorder, the first triad factor, the most girl with female athlete try to lose weight as a way to improve their athletic performance. The disorder, this eating disorder that accompanies female athlete triad can range from not eating enough calories to keep up with the energy demand, to avoid the food containing fat, anorexia nervosa or bulimia nervosa can be there. So first of all, you have to read about the bulimia nervosa. So bulimia nervosa, it is a eating disorder characterized by the recurring binge eating followed by the compensatory behavior such as the purging. Purging, what is purging? Self induce vomiting, exercise, use of laxative or diuretics for excessive exercises. In this disorder of eating, the persons consume large amount of food rapidly, followed by the binaging and purging. Binaging, they are taking a food, lot of food many times, and purging. This disorder leads to the loss of the important minerals from the body, thus lungs, the body, thus leading to the serious health problems like anemia. It is also causes low self-esteem, depression, and mental health problem. So now you'll read about the anorexia nervosa. So this eating disorder is characterized by food restriction and irrational fear of gaining weight, as well as a distorted body self perception. The person suffering from this disorder keep thinking about the reducing weight, thus their life is stressful. So this is the first triad factor of eating disorder. Now we'll read about the second triad factor of the amenorrhea. So amenorrhea, in this factor, female athlete performs intense exercises and not eating enough calories, by which hormones level decreases, thus causing varied menstrual cycle. In this, the session of the menstrual cycle is more than the 3 months. Now we have to read about the third triad factor for or osteoporosis. So third triad factor here, osteoporosis, is the weakening of the bones due to the loss of the bone density and improper bone formation. This condition decline the performance and leads to bone injuries. Estrogen is lower in girls with female athlete triad. The low level of estrogen and poor nutritional diet, especially low of calcium, lead to the osteoporosis. So osteoporosis is mainly lead by the lack of the nutritional diet, basically especially calcium. So now we have to read about the few symptoms of osteoporosis. So eating disorder, fatigue, hair loss, dry skin, weight loss, increased healing time for injuries, increased injuries, cessation for irregular menstrual cycle, anemia, sensitivity to cold low, heart rate, blood pressure. Now you have to read about the causes of female athlete triad. So insufficient calcium diet, amenorrhea, eating disorder, poor nutritional diet, sedentary lifestyle, thyroid conditions, lack of vitamin D, hormonal imbalance, overtraining, less liquid diet, etc. Now treatment of athletic triad. The treatment of female athlete triad consists of the immediate consultation with doctor or gynecologist, taking nutritional and balanced diet, reducing the exercises, counseling, taking food supplement for vitamins and minerals, behavior therapy, etc. These are the treatment of the female athlete triad. So by this treatment, we can escape to the females by the triad. First triad is eating disorder, amenorrhea, and third osteoporosis. So I think that the student have understood. Now this unit fifth also has been completed. Now you have to complete your work and revise every unit properly and write question answer, optional questions, 3 mark question and 5 marks question. Now we will meet soon again with new topic with new unit. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.